Good morning and welcome back to Amanda's Hair. So I'm getting ready for church and I need to do something about my hair. So I'm going to be putting on this V-Part wig from Unice, and this is how my wig is currently looking. We're going to get her together as well. But first I need to prep my hair, right? Obviously I would usually flat twist my hair back and put this on, but I don't have time for that. So we're going to be using this pre-shampoo
because I do plan to wash my hair. The shampoo is by African Pride. So we're going to be using this to kind of slick my hair down into a low ponytail so that I can do what I need to do and make it to church. So stay tuned and I will show you guys the process of getting this together.
Okay, first thing first, we're going to use some water. This is just water in here. Warm water I'm going to use just to loosen things up a little bit. Again, I don't need my hair to be soaked. I just need it to be loose. So once we do that, I'm just going to take this section by section. I'm not doing small sections. I'm going to do pretty big sections because, again, I'm pressed for time, number one. We don't need this to be perfect. Again, we're going to be using this pre-shampoo. About that much. I'm just going to work it through. So the great thing about using this is going to detangle my hair, which you need that as well, right? I'm going to use my curved brush. To lay down. That's our first ponytail. Then I'm going to wrap it. That's how that looks. So we're going to work our way around. I'm going to split this in half because this is a V-part wig, which means it's going to be in the middle of my hair. So I'm going to split this in half, slick the rest of these parts down, and then I'll come back and show you guys where I am. Okay, so I have my hair parted. So this is, we're going to lay the wig in between, well, one side will clip here, the other side will clip there. So I'm gonna wet this a little bit more. Just again, wetting the hair helps lay it down. It's going to help me detangle. And I'm going to be mindful of my two sides. So we're going to start with this under piece first. And I don't really part this. I'm just, again, going at it.
I don't have time for this to be perfect. We're going to do it down. So. Getting perfect is not the concern for me right now. I just need to lay flat. Always start your hair, brushing your hair at the ends. There we go. There we go. Very nice too. We'll take this piece. to do it 3 times so it holds. So that piece is down. We're going to come back. This is what we have left on this side. So I'm going to do this whole side with you guys. And then I'll do the other side off camera. So we're going to divide it. Again, I'm taking a generous amount for the pre-shampoo. I'm actually going to do this all together. I'm going to do this next section. The pre-shampoo. Ooh, I dropped a little bit. Okay. We're going to take our brush. This is a lot here. And then we're going to work them ends first. This is this whole section. So now we're going to take this. I'm going to pick up another scrunchie. And that is slipped down. So you guys can see how slick this section is. And this is what I have left. So I'm going to do this side off of camera.
Okay, I'm on the very last piece. So I wanted to hop in and show you guys how we are laying down this very last piece. Just gonna brush it. There we go. Bam. Then we'll put on one more scrunchie. And with this scrunchie, I'm going to tuck the ends in. So this is what my hair looks like. That's the full look of my hair. We have everything slicked down. Now it's wig time. Now I'm not going to lie to y'all, this wig looks a little rough. And that's okay. Because we are about to hit it with some water. I'm standing in front of the sink, so I'm going to lightly dunk it. I don't want to get it too wet. You just need it to be a little bit wet so you can comb out some of these naps. Because as you guys know, curly wigs get nappy at the nape. So I want to be able to comb some of that out. Or brush, that's what I should say. So I've wet the wig, and then this is just me brushing it out. So there is already leave-in conditioner and mousse on this hair. I will add a little bit more. Once I actually put it on, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So right now we just want to brush it up. That's our main concern. So with the inside, as y'all can see, this is very nappy. I'm going to hold this like this, and we're going to brush it up. See? Make sure that you're brushing, because you don't want your hair to be nappy. Brush it out. That's how the hair is looking. So I'm going to get ready, put on my makeup, and then I will be back and you guys will see me place the wig on. So I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I have my dress on, I have my makeup on. And now we are going to try to make sure my eyebrows look okay. We're gonna go ahead and put the wig on, right? So you can use a wig cap. I would suggest and encourage you to use a wig cap. We're gonna take this and put it on the back here. We're gonna stop it like halfway. So this is what it looks like. And we're gonna grab our wig. So this is what the hair is currently looking like. We have 2 clips. Boom, boom. So what I'm going to look for, number 1, is removing any hair from the wig that may be in the clips. So we want to get that out the way. Get that out the way. And get that out the way. So all the hair needs to be out of the clips. So then we are going to turn the wig over. So you're going to hold the wig like this. You're going to slam it on your head. Now, this is how far back, well, you're going to first measure the front, right? So I see that this piece goes right here. That tells me, and I'm going to just push my cap back so y'all can see. This piece needs to clip here. The piece on the other side here. The front here. So this is our first snap. We're going to review it, see what it looks like, and decide if we need to move anything. So I feel like I may need to move this a little bit so that we can see a little bit more part. Yeah. And then I'm going to take the back because this is not secure. Ooh, that's pulling a little bit. So sometimes I'll undo the front 2 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and get my back down. I'm going to come back to those pieces. Because I think I may need to slide them over a little bit. Sometimes I need to come back further. So yeah, like I think this piece needs to go here. There we go. This piece. This piece. Ooh. And then we're going to take that same spray bottle. Again, the idea is not for the hair to be soaking wet. It's just a little something. I don't want my face to get wet. I do want to control these flyaways. This is like the best wig, I'm going to tell you guys, for beginners, hand down. If you don't want to fool with no lace, but you still want something that is giving scalp. Oh, there we go. That pin wasn't in. That clip wasn't down. Because you want it to be straight. We're just going to move. There we go. And this is what the wig looks like. That was what, 5 minutes? If that. It actually says we've been on camera for 4 minutes and 32 seconds and counting. No time at all. It's done. This is what it looks like all the way around. Quick, easy, simple. And now I'm ready to go to church. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. Thank you for following Amanda's Hair. Again, this is a Unice V-Part Wig that I got off their website. I think it was anywhere between $90 to $100. I don't remember the length. I have cut this. I'm trying to think what else. And that's it. I didn't add any mousse because, like I said, there's already mousse in this wig. By adding water, you're just activating it. So there's no need for me to add more products to it. And that's literally it. I've had this wig for a year. I think it's been a year by now. So this is my go-to. If my natural hair isn't done, this is what I'm putting on my head every time. And it's gonna come through every time. think I want my curls a little bit more defined over here. So we're just gonna wet them. Yeah, because this side looks super defined. We'll just wet it a little bit. There we go. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, share it with a friend. Because if you're not sharing it, then what are you doing? I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.